The headlines. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar tables 6 demands under demands for grants 2019-20 in the House. DPR of Rs 435.98 crore submitted to Union Ministry for repair of flood-damaged river banks, says Letpao Haukim. Government looks down on working class, alleges MLA TH Lokeshwar. And IAF jets destroy Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps in Balakot. Foreign Secretary confirms airstrikes. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News with me, Mandira. Now the news in detail. Finance in charge and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar today tabled 6 demands under demands for grants 2019-20 in the House for discussion and passing them. Rupees 60 crore 61 lakh 36,000 for demand number 13 Labour and Employment. Rupees 676 crore 40 lakhs 33,000 for demand number 14 Department of Tribal Affairs and Hill Development. Rupees 316 47 lakhs 32,000 for demand number 17 Agriculture. Rupees 231 crore 85 lakhs 88,000 for demand number 19 Environment and Forest. Rupees 440 crore 43 lakhs 23,000 for demand number 23 Power, and Rupees 13 crore 32 lakhs 51,000 for demand for Information and Technology were tabled in the House. Later, the House unanimously passed all the demands amounting to Rupees 739 crore 10 lakhs 63,000. Congress MLA TH Lokeshwar today accused the state government of underestimating the labour class, saying the Labour Department exists for the sake of name. The Khundrakpum MLA was raising a cut motion in the House when the Finance Minister tried to seek support from the House members to pass demand number 13. Labour, noting that the Labour Department is an important department for the working class. Lokeshwar said there has been a rise in the number of both skilled and unskilled labourers in Manipur. He claimed that no welfare program for the working section is not visible till date. It is learnt that deduction from payments meant for labourers is done by the department for the purpose of taking up welfare program for them. He said and asked where the money has gone. Drawing attention of the Speaker, Lokeshwar then sought information from the Labour Minister on the welfare program taken for labourers. Joining the cut motion, Sagolband MLA RK Imo asked if any policy has been formulated by the state government for the welfare of transporters who are shipping goods from outside the state. He sought details on such welfare policy taken by the Labour Department. A detailed project report DPR amounting to Rs 435.98 crore has already been submitted to the Union Ministry of Water Resources for repair of river banks which were damaged by the recent floods in the state. Water Resources Minister Letpao Haukim informed the House today. Opposition MLA MD Fazur brought up the matter in the House during question hour. The minister further responded to his question and said that no work orders have been given so far for the restoration of the damaged river banks caused by floods during 2017-18 and 2018-19. Looking at the pace of the ongoing construction work of Infall Viewpoint Atop Chairauching at Thangmaiban, its timely completion remains a question. Infall Viewpoint is a significant project being taken up by the Department of Tourism. According to the Director of Tourism, W. Ibohal, the project will be completed within this year. Manipur Police Housing Corporation, which is work agency of the project, began the construction work from December 25th last year. The cement work began on February 19 last. The Infall Viewpoint, which is going to have 2 watchtowers, is targeted to be completed by September 30, 2019, which is hardly 7 months away from now. As such, whether the authority concerned can complete the work on schedule or not has become a big question. Talking to Tom TV News, Director of Tourism W. Ibohal assured that the Infall Viewpoint will be completed within this year. The Infall Viewpoint is going to be a great attraction to the tourist. The Cherauching does not only have historical values, but it also serves as a watchtower. One can have beautiful sights of the valley of Manipur from Cherauching.
13.30 crore. Masigi project sida yauriba maruiba magi main component hai taragadi mayamna yamna attraction leiriba pose koigi Infall view tower Infall gi tongan bar mafam jinda koigi maigai khudimakta eastern side aduga southern side adu western side masi ubungamba adugumba view tower amakak hojiki Cherauching chingji gi maton jida saraga madudagi akhoi telescope sim thamaga Infall gi fajaraba view singsi masi uhunba adugumba hojiki view tower components ne mayamna hojik yam kana attraction lakadobus haribasi hojik leiriba Cherauching sigi mayamgi murti leiriba sidagi mathakta kakhalaga awangba mafam leiriba awangba mafam ani lei chingmerongi ade kakhalaga leiba singdon matonduma adudagi awanomda kitang kakhalaga mu singdol matolama lei view tower se anini thamdoris aduna anisi thambakanda yam phaja makoi view ma Infall gi phangani masigi approach road chatpham karikara mayam ayam hojik sembalo sele lambi sembalo sele aduga koi view tower gi my foundation structure akoi thadaba hauna sem sare atop components sing hai targadi koi mayam lakpanga anda ngak potharaga leibe aba koi horticulture garden koi eco garden ama asima yauri mayam gi kari lakpoda parking leinaba adigi ticketing counter adigi mayam gi public utility services sagi toilet leiba kari leiba adu sitting bench mayam la potham phamnaba suguma component masa khadi yauri.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
An NIT Manipur na Sindhuna Ogri 2019 Drift into Utopia Haiba Timda Mars Kunkani Pantiki Kuntraga Matwe Fawba Langol Delaiba NIT da Aktuk Jaragani Thauramasi Manung Channa Miss Ogri Mega Night Battle of the Bands Hip Hop Night Dance Competition Cosplay Mini Night Voice of Ogri Extempo Debate Quiz Painting Football Dota 2 Counter Strike PUBG Mobile Amadi Mobile Legends the Chingba Event Singyauri Form Pangpam Ogri Office NIT Manipur Langol Sindam Book House Singzamay Dissolve Center Kesampat Junction Deltas Zero Squawkatel Ibojo Computer Center MU Get Opposite Nandini Bookstore Bisnupur Bazaar Neo Bakery Ningthokong Lifestyle Fitness Gyms Thangai Pro LK Bookstore Lamlong Lairik Makon Palace Gate Ravi Jewelry Kakjing Gateway Nambol Thangzam Pepper Mart Moirang AVC Bookstore Kongba Bazaar Naughty Dog Kashampat Big M Studio Katwa Makhanaurem Laikai. Last date of form submission 15 March 2019 Akupa Marol Gidama Equity website www.ogri.org daki Khanglaba Yagani.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzi miyamna yamna pamna riba top blouse fanek sengau porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba luhong bada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamal da fangbiragani loinana order su luxury lengsin biro ngasimak panthoibi embroidery sagolban khamnam bazar opposite Oriental College Infall. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Welcome back. More Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 26 Sector and a team of More police arrested a drug peddler and seized drugs worth Rs 8.5 crore and Rs 23.4 lakh in cash from his possession. He has been identified as Jekhongam alias Tarmon Lungdim, age 44, son of Sokhongthang Lungdim of Jango Bung, presently staying at Gamnom Wang More Ward number 2, acting on a tip-off. The Assam Rifles, backed by More police, launched the operation. The police team was led by Letkha Waipai, officer in charge More Binoy Chongtham, SDPO Thomas Thokchom, DSP, CDO More under the command of Robinson Khamnam, Additional Superintendent of Police Tengnopal under the overall supervision of Dr. S. Ibomcha Singh, Superintendent of Police Tengnopal. On thorough search of the house, drugs kept at multiple locations were recovered from the house: 2.376 kg of brown sugar, 244 gram of heroin, 342 packets of W white tablet, Indian currency notes of Rs 23,44,200 and Myanmar currency notes of Kyat 1,90,000 were recovered from his possession. The protest by the Parents and the Guardians Council for Persons with Disabilities Manipur and Government Deaf and Mute School and Ideal Blind School Takhel continued today. The protest began on 23rd of this month, demanding the government for implementation of Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 in the state. They staged a sit-in protest near Takhel Blind School. President of Parents and Guardians Council for Persons with Disabilities Manipur, Thangjam Sarat Kumar, said that the concerned government authorities have neglected their demand. He urged for implementation of Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 in the state.
The Act, Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 se Manipur de implement phajana tawbidri masi phajana tawbiu tongan state policy ma sembiu disabilities goiba budget tongana hapiu asina chingba amasung separate directorate ama disability goina lingbiragadi hen attention pigani sarkarna haina lagjai si punamaksi akoi gi demand singi maruiba demand singni adubu nahan tarikulum do gi nungdangda haukiba kulum dai hobaduna ayukte hobna nungdangda social welfare department ge officer ahum laaga akoi da letter of understanding ama pyramid document return noina akoina khanaba matam dadi return noina pbo na hajabadagi pira return document aduda demand sing ase fulfill thamagi ani gi matam piraktaba sumaina yawbasina akoina proper time frame amada thamagi matungna si toba thani matungna si toba na hairaga proper time frame pbo natradi akoi handu yana ijakare karigumba akoina response pigiba letter dugi matam Chana Togani and Haiba Pira Agati, Akoina, Satariba Sident Protesti, suspend Togani, Aduga, Loina Namadu, April N Bauba, suspend Toga Tange, and Akoi Lepsavani, in case Kariumbanga Shiba Wata, the Bediga, Akoina, Satariba, Sident Protest, intensify Togana main road for young in Japan.
Under the Military Civic Action Program, Commandant of 6 Assam Rifles of 9 Sector AR Singjamai, Colonel A.K. Das donated 4 computer sets to the Physically Challenged Person Welfare Organization at Kongpal Tongkhong, with an aim to give computer education to the specially challenged persons. Retired Additional Superintendent of Police KHH Jarma Additional SP Operations of Infall East TH Krishna Tombi, including Zilla Parishad of Top Nauria KHH Tomba, shared the dais during the simple function held. Speaking on the occasion, Colonel A.K. Das stated that Assam Rifles is working for the welfare of the people living in the state. He added that Assam Rifles is continuously making contributions towards imparting computer knowledge to disabled persons so that they could get jobs.
Disabled persons who are here, they can be trained and they can be given that particular skill set that is required for them to undertake various jobs and various job opportunities. So keeping that in mind, we processed the case, and today I am very happy to announce that we are providing 4 state-of-the-art computers to the Physically Challenged Persons Welfare Organization which is here, and they in the due course of time will be running various courses for the physically challenged people so as to give them that particular skill required for various kind of jobs and various kind of other livelihoods that they subsequently will be aiming at. So I want to thank you all for being here for this very noble cause, and very shortly after we finish the function over here, we'll go and inaugurate the computer center which is next to this particular community hall. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the warm reception. Thank you.
Speaking on the occasion as guest of honor, Additional SPTH Krishna Tombi said the bond between the public and security forces is improving at present, and he hoped that this will help bring peace and harmony in the state.
Computer katana tabida akoina angang jingi club ki sanabadagi code sanabadana tana ate education gi hiram khudi maktazu Assam Rifle na su mayam yang janbiri aduga khoi security ka police ka amadi people ka lainari mari ji lapthok na buduna torom baje summa mayam jingjina people jinga security jinga tumudi naksena radi hena people jingi ho bosu security ne yamno uraba adagi awat pa mayam jingje amana mi mateng pangnaradi people ka security ka ji amna nungsina ba amna nangna ba amane oigani haina khali aduna ayangna central gi processing da ju akoigi locality gi lai su haiba sing adi sana ba da ju adagi club sing jinga yamna interest winner ga hena awat pa mayam jingje hena mathang yengjan birabadi hena pabo werakani haina.
The examination for recruitment of section officers, civil engineering conducted by Manipur Police Public Service Commission MPSC today was abruptly postponed after detection of questions which were said to be out of syllabus. However, chairman of the examination, retired Lieutenant General K. Himalay, said there was no issue of question leakage in the examination. He said the matter was concerned only with out-of-syllabus questions being set and that re-exam will be held within 2 days. The Manipur Hills and Valley Individual Surrender Welfare Association today expressed displeasure over non-payment of stipend and deposit money to surrendered cadres belonging to different underground groups. During a press meet at Press Club Infall, Association President Abdul Latif appealed to the government to fulfill their demands at the earliest. He was also upset over the failure of the government to translate into action its promise to provide jobs to the surrendered cadres. Latif threatened to take up agitation in the case the government fails to meet the demands.
India government na thamiga koi Assam Rifles Indian Army shuda surrender toroga makoi na atop mata transfer chakta transfer chakibuna maram gorega surrender toribu nupa ado surrenderi loida verification loibida adugumna surrender mayak shengdaba amoina leidana makoi da phangada ko tong chawa sumsu phangdaba aduga hauja hariba मखोई प्रोसेसिंग जो लोइदबना मरम मरगा मखोई द प्रॉब्लम कया अमा सुलै हाइबा से लोइबिदम द बसु सो होम डिपार्टमेंट अमदि सीआईडी ना उपका मखोई गी वेरिफिकेशन तौबिरगा लोइबे याबा सिंग अदु मसु लोइबियो हाइना ngasiगी रेस्पिन असिगी खदों चावल लौजरगा मसु मसु आई थामजगे.
The All Video Welfare Association today criticized the state government for allegedly failing to bring up their issue in the current state assembly session. The state government should be held responsible for any eventuality that may come up in the event of failure of the government to discuss our demands in the House. Association General Secretary Mohammad Riaz Khan told reporters at Manipur Press Club.
Manipur Labour Media Bising Taraga Yankay Sigi, MLA Minister Humpuna. Hamlaki Bathazabadu, Atumatamda, Tabuto on Topio, Perigumba, Bedepsing issue was in Kanabidana, Assembly Sociality, Hojiko Assembly Sociality, Kivataragadi, Manipoduleba, Bedepsing Taraga, Yankai, the Siktra Toki, Hariba, Bedepsing Sina, Honorable Naidana, Makal Makakia, Jason Cass and Silapuda, Mother Tolapa, Fatagi Taitado, Sigi Paliba, Lengakas, and Pudavani have a say, welfare association, Mimaka de Tanzania.
Lecturers and students of Dhanamanjuri College of Arts today extended financial aid to the blind mother-son duo now undergoing treatment at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences. Notably, Tom TV had earlier carried a story on the life of the mother-son duo. The Chief Minister had also initiated steps to reach out to the mother-son duo from Chairen Laingang. Jennings has already announced to provide free medical treatment to Thoibi and Roshan to bring back their sights.
Asigumba kanagumba magi mateng phangdana lojiloya da leiriba mayam asi sumaina tawdana awaba kayama mayong nadana leiriba sing asige lengak haikatra chakasina ingsenbiba lojiloya da khoigi khongang chatlu haibana singba scheme kayama pakaludana makhoi si yoramde haibado Tom TV na puthoraktana awaba kayama mayong naba khongang lojiloya da leiri habaji takbirak pade khoi ngasi khangjawa phangdana Kasuletraba koina, kasulete haijake ko, akoi makoi ga yangnarogadi, akoina magi da magta mating pangwangam bahibase, atopa sing, maya mamanasu, pangwangam pagi tanjado Tom TV na pibi haitana, asuki mati wang na tagatsani.
Time for a short break, stay tuned.
Sangray oil, agarwood amadi, tang the fangma machal kayana semba, adugumlaba, iramdang asida putoksava, Rehal perfume, Aryan store, Dove, Lico store, Jason amadi, Ninthosam Enterprises ta, Fangbiragani, Aikoi head office, Hatami Nutong, near Symmetry Road.
Lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki miyoi amamam lawzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikhoigi address Lamjingba group Rims Road Infall phone number at 131944063.
Think of home, and you think of all beautiful things you had seen. Things you admired. Things you desired. Some that you envy, and some you fancy. But hardly anything that is so beautifully you. A home that lives only in your imagination. A home you can truly call beautifully yours. Yumkai, beautiful home inside out. Complete design solution for home and office.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba Lamjingba cab service na miyam gi sebada leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer, Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores anina miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Ngasi maglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coacatel near Infall Viewpoint.
Welcome back. India confirms fighter jets destroyed biggest Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps in Balakot surgical strike at 3:30 Tuesday morning. Foreign Secretary Vijay Gokhale says a large number of Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist trainers and commanders were killed in this largest Jaish-e-Mohammed camps, mushrooming across the Balakot region in Pakistan. In a surprise to Pakistani security forces, the Indian Air Force reportedly dropped around 1,000 kg bombs on Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps across the line of control LOC in Muzaffarabad sector. Pakistan Army spokesperson Major General Asif Ghafoor also confirmed that the Indian Air Force IAF violated the line of control, facing timely and effective response from Pakistan Air Force released payload in haste while escaping, which fell near Balakot, he tweeted, adding that no casualties have been reported so far. A group of Mirage 2000 Indian fighter jets struck a major terrorist camp across the LOC and completely destroyed it. Former Army General and Union Minister V.K. Singh says Pakistan wants India to bleed with 1,000 cuts, but each time you attack us, be certain we will get back at you harder and stronger. At a briefing by the Ministry of External Affairs, Vijay Gokhale says the JEM terror camp in Balakot was destroyed. In an intelligence-led operation in the early hours of today, India struck the biggest training camp of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Balakot. In this operation, a very large number of Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists, trainers, senior commanders and group of jihadis who were being trained for Fidaian action were eliminated. This felicity at Balakot was headed by Maulana Yusuf Azhar alias Ustad Ghauri, the brother-in-law of Masood Azhar, chief of Jaish-e-Mohammed, says. Gokhale, the government of India is firmly and resolutely committed to taking all necessary measures to fight the menace of terrorism. Hence, this non-military preemptive action was specifically targeted at the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp. The selection of the target was also conditioned by our desire to avoid civilian casualties. The facility is located in thick forest on a hilltop, far away from any civilian presence. Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has called an emergency meeting, reports a national news agency. Qureshi will meet Prime Minister Imran Khan after the meeting, in which he will discuss the security situation with high-level officials. Sources have told the news agency that Qureshi summoned the emergency meeting at the Foreign Office for consultations. High alert has been sounded in Gujarat, according to State DGP Shivanand Jha. The DGP has asked at the SPs and AMP range IGs to remain stationed at their respective headquarters. 3 border districts, Patan, Banaskantha and Kutch in particular, have been put out alert, with an Indian Air Force on high alert at its air defense systems across western border with Pakistan. Coastal districts have also put on alert, DGP Jha said. A senior Uttar Pradesh ATS official on Monday that the police have managed to extract data from the mobile phones of the 2 suspected Jaish terrorists arrested from Saharanpur district in UP. The official added that the investigators are analyzing the data for leads. The anti-terrorist squad official also said the police have questioned some persons linked to the 2 Jaish-e-Mohammed men. It is to be noted that Jaish-e-Mohammed was involved in February 14's deadly Pulwama attack, which claimed the lives of 40 CRPF personnel. Uttar Pradesh police has arrested Shahnawaz Ahmed Teli from Kulgram in Jammu and Kashmir and Aqib Ahmed Malik from Pulwama on February 22 from Deoband in Saharanpur. The police has seized 32 bore pistols and cartridges from the two, who were staying at Deoband posting as students. DGP Singh said that though the two Jaish men were posing as students, they had not taken admission in any institute in Deoband. According to police, Shahnawaz and Aqib were trying to recruit for Jaish-e-Mohammed. He added that the police were trying to find out whether the two men had come to Deoband before the Pulwama attack. Both Shahnawaz and Aqib are currently in 10-day police custody. Singh said the Shahnawaz is a grenade expert. The investigators are trying to find out when the two came to Uttar Pradesh from Kashmir and who is funding them. The NIA Tuesday carried out searches on separatists in the Kashmir Valley, including Mirwais Umar Farooq in a terror funding case, officials said. The NIA sleuths, accompanied by local police and CRPF personnel, carried out searches at nearly 9 places across the valley, which included the house of Naeem Gilani, son of pro-Pakistan separatist Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, they said. Besides this, the houses of JKLF leader Yasin Malik, Shabir Shah, Ashraf Sharai and Zafar Bhatt were also raided. The case relates to fund allegedly received by the separatists from Pakistan through Hawala channels, officials added. A retired IPS officer who committed suicide last week blamed West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for his death, a charge dismissed by the ruling Trinamool Congress as baseless. In a 6-page letter to the Chief Minister, Gaurav Chandra Dutt, who retired earlier this year, accused her of abetting his suicide by keeping him in compulsory waiting for a posting. The 1986 batch IPS officer also alleged he was harassed and tortured in devious ways by various state institutions at the behest of the Chief Minister. Time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. On FEB, Manipur can be kept out of its ambit, says Sharma. Pan Meitei Convention backs ST status demand for Meiteis. CPI to fail Dr. Nara in inner parliamentary constituency. Infall Free Press. State to woo international tourists to boost tourism, says Biren. 3,703.14 lakh rupees earmarked for infrastructure development. Killers of my father will go scot-free. Around 238 complaints loads against post office. Nara to contest in inner parliamentary seat as CPI candidate. Health Minister exhorts healthy relationship between patients and doctors. The People's Chronicle. Efforts on to implement tourism sports policy, says Chief Minister. Arunachal government orders probe into violence over PRC issue. BJP Youth Wing urges Union Minister to repeal AFASFA. Wife of encounter victim seeks justice. House passes 5 demands for grants. The Morning Bell. Sanaroi Shinginumit observe. Government is planning to launch sports policy soon, says Chief Minister. House passes 4 demands for grants amounting to rupees 1,408 crore 91 lakh 25,000. KSO Sadar Hills demands separate DPO for district. News reporting course inaugurated in Chandel. VTF personnel discuss strategy to strengthen force.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar tables 6 demands under Demands for Grants 2019-20 in the House. DPR of rupees 435.98 crores submitted to Union Ministry for repair of flood-damaged riverbanks, says Letpao Haukip. Government looks down on working class, alleges MLA TH Lokeshwar. And IAF jets destroy Jaish-e-Mohammed terror camps in Balakot. Foreign Secretary confirms airstrikes. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.